Welcome to the Om Times Conscious Challenge, the Nature Angels, Nature Divas, and Fairies would like to say a word of blessings for you today. We are the nature ones, the natural ones of light, that we surround you and we are with you all the time. We see you, though you may not see us. You may feel us in the wind, in the water, in the fire, in the air. You will feel us. You will experience our energies. You may see a leaf blowing in the wind. No, we are not very far. You may step in a puddle. Know that we are not very far. You may burn your finger with a fire. We are not very far. As you breathe the fresh scent of the grass being cut, we are not very far. We are simply there, and you know that we are there. We are never very far. As you walk in the grass, we are right there underneath your feet, and we move. We sit in the tree and watch you, and we play games as you take your walk. We play games as you clean garbage off the streets. We play games as you are playing games in the grass with your pets, having fun. We like to have fun. We like you. You are our friends. We ask you to take care of the earth. Your mother, our mother, she takes care of all of us, and we ask you to take care of her. Just, if you can, pick up trash, pick up things that do not belong on the ground, and do what you can to help Mother Earth. Plant flowers and trees and fruits and vegetables, and eat good things. Help your body. Your body is us. We are your body. Help yourself. Make your life better. As you make your life better, you make a life better. We do what we can to help you on your planet. You must do your part as much as we do our part. And we just came in to send love and light to you on this special day. It is the day of the mother, your earth mother. Bless your earth mother today. Bless your actual birth mother as well. Bless all mothers, the mothers of the beautiful animals, the mothers that create the flowers and the trees, all the mothers, your divine womb, divine creation. We say bless, bless, bless everywhere you go. Bless, shine those blessings to all that you meet and everywhere you go. Now we speak in the language of light, and we shine blessings upon you. Feel the blessings of the mother in your heart, for you are that. Yanta Swadvasitva Yerisante Achata Signata Sirakata Se Rakata Se Ikata Ziktaranta Ziktaranta Eretan Se Rakate Nana Santa Sirekanda Rakajanda Ate Ante Zeranta Zaranta Zeke Sankaranta Zekerenta Ichanda Late Sitaranta Zirekanda Ochwa Saranta Zikiranta Achtatantarate. We wish you a beautiful day of the Mother, peace, love, prosperity, for shining in your heart for who you are. May compassion and grace walk your way. Lots of blessings from all of us today.